I think it's 1.25 inch pipe, schedule 40. I had it on hand. I took it from top rail of this fence my grandfather put in. See, no more pipe, but it will be replaced with some new galvanized schedule 20 inch and 3/8 pipe. That's what we're going to replace that fence with, that fence top rail. But you know, at $1.70 something a foot, you're better off taking it from here and then, you know, replacing it. It's just bare pipe. I notched all the piping. I notched the tubing so it would fit. Those cross beams just there temporarily because it's not very stable as it is right now. It's just like flopping in the breeze kind of deal. I got that back pipe. I don't know if you guys can see, it's real skinny. It goes boom right in there. I put that in yesterday. You know, hard part is trying to source this stuff for free. You know, I might have to break down, and I called my local steel supply, and for the project I need to finish, which would be pipe every 4 feet instead of 8 feet like this is. It's going to be every 4 feet and a ridge or a roof that comes up a foot and then over and then back down. Its total height will be about 15 feet. That's 10 right now. So I need 220 foot, long story short, and that's $382.82. Not including the tax. So I'm gonna have to break down and buy it. Lovely day today. Lovely day. Oh, something in the background. Apologize. But I got a load of steel in. 14 schedule 40 inch and a quarter pipes. And I started by cutting them down the length. You know, they gotta go 10 feet from the ground to the top there. So I've been measuring them, cut them all off with a portable bandsaw. And now I'm marking them. I don't know if you guys can make those out, but we got little marks there, and I'm just using this template here, putting it on there and tracing it with a scribe, or in this case a rat tail file. Pipe Frame Garage 101 with your host, Arts and Spice. Okay, see, pronounce at least off the ground. I know it's a little crooked, but I should be able to straighten it out. I'll put a square up there. We'll move it over. It's a little crooked now, but you get the idea. Just keep putting them in. One there, one in there, one in there, 3 each side, and then 2 in the back. Got to put those plates on the bottom, right there. So see, now it's off the ground. I'm gonna throw some fill in here after and tamp it down so you can come up a little bit. So that's a big little mound there. I don't know if you guys noticed that, but so yeah, I'll put a square up there in that corner, square it down, and then I'll use that clamp it to that, and then we'll weld it in. And it shouldn't go anywhere. And it should be good. Eventually there's going to be a brace all around the bottom, running all the way back, and that'll keep it from shifting. I'm gonna put one diagonal piece in, probably, you know, like here to there and there, something like that, on the ends, just to hold the ends tight. So now the process is just repeat and repeat. The sun's going down, so I'm gonna hammer it out, try to see how much I can get done today. So I got all these pieces machined out and everything ready to go. So just gotta be a case of grind and weld, place, square up, you know. But that's what she's gonna look like every 4 feet. All right, tubers. So the sun's going down and I got them all in. One wall, at least. I'll probably just keep going around the back. Boom, 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 and just finish it up. And then the fun thing, bending the trusses. Got 21 feet length there, which allows me, you know, a low pitch, but should go up about a foot over to about 15 feet in the center, and then down, you know, 15 feet from the ground up. So that's 10, so it should be 5 more feet higher than the top, which is not bad of a pitch, I'd say, you know. Well, I'm gonna pack it in for tonight. I'm beat, man. Hey tubers, it's Thanksgiving Day. I got 2 duties today. One is to cook the turkey, the candied yams, the mashed potatoes, what else we got? Oh, cranberry sauce and all that other stuff. All the trimmings, the stuffing, and then I'm going to be bending the rest of these. I have 6 pipes. I got 6 bends in them, but they need 12 more bends now for the ends and tubers. The little thing here, that little clamp that goes on the top of here, collar, I call it a collar, I guess. It really works good because, as you can see over here, you know, kink in. Look at that, beautiful, nice bend. I think it's 35 degrees, somewhere around there. 34 degrees, I think it is. But you know, this is prior. Now I didn't have any scrap, granted. This was brand new Harbor Freight tool, you know, hydraulic pipe bender, and that's what it did. You know, it kinked it over. I don't know if you guys could see it here, but it kinked it pretty good. And that's the worst kink that pipe bender has done so far. That one's kinked a little bit, but you know, this is only a 22 degree angle bend, and you know, that did those fine without the collar. You don't even need the collar with this. But you start going over, and what happens is the die's excuse me, the die's pushing against this. Then you got a roller over here and a roller over here, and what happens is the pipe starts to kink, and then it boom pops out of the die. And what that collar does is it allows it to stay in the die by providing pressure against the top of it, and keeps it in that die pretty good. You know, keeps it in there pretty good.